Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade sangria with fruit. First, select a good quality, dry red or crisp white wine as your foundation. Next, gather an assortment of fresh, ripe fruits like oranges, apples, and berries. You will also need a sweetener, perhaps a touch of brandy or orange liqueur, to enhance the flavors. Finally, remember to chill your sangria for at least 4 hours, allowing all the delicious ingredients to fully combine. Let's gather our essential ingredients for a perfect pitcher. You will need one standard bottle, which is about 7,500 milliliters, of a dry red wine like Tempranillo. For that classic sangria kick, add 1/2 cup of brandy or a good quality orange liqueur. Sweeten it to your preference with about 1/4 cup of sugar or simple syrup. Finally, prepare 2 cups of your favorite sliced fresh fruits, such as oranges, apples, and lemons. Preparing your sangria is wonderfully straightforward. Begin by thoroughly washing and then slicing all your selected fruits into appealing, bite-sized pieces. Next, in a large pitcher, combine the entire bottle of wine, the 1/2 cup of brandy, and the 1/4 cup of sugar. Add all your prepared fruit to this mixture. Stir everything gently until you are sure the sugar has completely dissolved. Cover the pitcher and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Now for the best part, serving and enjoying your homemade creation. Pour your perfectly chilled sangria over ice into individual glasses. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice or a vibrant mint sprig. Feel free to experiment with various fruit combinations and even different wine types to discover your personal favorite. For a delightful effervescence, add a splash of sparkling water just before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.